Is your Samsung TV flickering like this? Don't worry. Here are 5 quick fixes to solve the problem. First, try a power reset. Unplug your Samsung TV and wait 5 minutes before plugging it back in. While waiting, find the power button on the back or under the TV. Press and hold it for 30 seconds. Now, plug the TV back in, but do not use a power strip. Plug it directly into the wall. Sometimes power strips can cause flickering issues. If this doesn't work, try the second fix. Check your HDMI connection. Go to the back of your TV and unplug the HDMI cable. Try using a new HDMI cable or one you already have at home. When plugging it back in, use a different HDMI port. For example, switch from port 1 to port 3. Also, apply some pressure on the HDMI port with your thumb to make sure it's fully connected. If the problem continues, move to fix number 3. Turn off energy saving mode on your TV. Press the home button on your remote. Go to Settings, then General, then Eco Solution. Find energy saving mode and turn it off. Also, disable ambient light detection in the same menu. Still flickering? Try fix number 4. Reset your picture settings. Press Home on your remote. Go to Settings, then Picture, then Expert Settings. Scroll down and select Reset Picture. Confirm the reset. This will not delete your apps or personal data. It only resets the picture settings. If nothing works, here's the final solution. Perform a factory reset. Press Home on your remote. Go to Settings, then Setup, then System. Select Factory Defaults and confirm. This will erase all apps, passwords, and settings. It may take a few minutes, but your TV will return to its original settings. Hopefully, one of these fixes worked for you. If so, leave a comment below and let me know which one helped. If you found another fix, share it in the comments to help others. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech fixes.